Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are using our word box at the bottom of our page to fill in the blanks in our sentences. We are working with vowel teams OA and OW. Our first word is toad. T-O-D, toad. Then we have goat, G-O-T, goat. Our next word is bow, B-O-O-W, can say O. Our next word is boat, B-O-T. Then we have soap, S-O-P. Then we have coat, C-O-T. Road, R-O-D. And grow, G-R-O. OA says O, and OW can also say O. My first sentence says, wash your hands with soap. S-O-P, soap. Then I'm going to cross off soap in my word box so that I know that I've used it. Number 2. She has a blank in her hair. What do girls sometimes wear in their hair? That's right, a bow. B-O-O-W says O. I'm going to cross off bow at the bottom in my word bank. Number 3 says, a plant will blank. A plant will grow. G-R-O-O-W can say O. Number 4, a blank has fur and horns. My remaining words are toad, goat, boat, coat, road. A goat has fur and horns. G-O-T, goat. Number 5 says, drive down the blank. Drive down the toad, drive down the boat, drive down the coat, or drive down the road. Which one makes the most sense? That's right, road. R-O-D, road. All right, my friends, you are going to do the last 3 by yourself. I will read the sentence for you, and you fill in the blank on your own. Number 6 is go out to sea on a blank. A sea is another word for ocean. So go out to sea on a toad, boat, or coat. Number 7, a blank lives by a pond. A toad lives by a pond, a boat lives by a pond, or a coat lives by a pond. Fill in the blank. Number 8, hang up your blank. Hang up your toad, hang up your boat, or hang up your coat. Way to go, you did great. Okay, my friends, we are going to write a super sentence for each word. We are working with vowel teams. We're working with vowel team E as in eel, and E-A as in eat. So my first sentence, you can see number 1, I have a picture of a sheep. I need to write a sentence with the word sheep in it. So my sentence is going to be, I saw a white long vowel, silent E, sheep. Sh, E, P, sheep. I saw a white sheep. Now you may pause the video and copy my sentence, or you can make up your own. All right, number 2. I see a boy who is having a dream. So we are going to use the word dream in a sentence. You can make up your own sentence, or you can borrow mine. He had a funny dream. D, E, M, dream. Don't forget that period at the end. Now pause the video to copy mine or create your own. Number 3, I can see a picture of a tree. So we need to use the word tree in a sentence. You can write your own, or you may borrow mine. The cat went up the tree. E. The cat went up the tree. Don't forget that period at the end. All right, I'm going to do number 4 with you. Our picture is a picture of a seed. My sentence with seed is going to be, my mom will plant a seed. My, I need a capital because it's the beginning of a sentence. My mom, will, plant, a seed. Seed with a period at the end. My mom will plant a seed. You may borrow mine or write your own. Okay, my friends, numbers 5 and 6, you are on your own. You need to write a sentence with the word be in it, which is double E saying E, and a sentence with the word leaf in it. And leaf has E, A vowel team. You're going to do great. Good luck.